Yo, what's going on, Wolf Gang? This is the Wolf, the new video, and on this video gonna be looking into Nasdaq 100, Nasdaq 100. Alright, so it's been a minute, guys. I get it, it's been a minute. I've been out, but we're back now, and yeah, gonna be giving you guys content, man. Won't be missing anymore. Alright, so let's just get into it, guys. Alright, so like, not gonna waste any time, getting straight into it. Alright, so this is Nasdaq 100. Alright, this is the all-time chart of it, and you can see still Nasdaq 100 still on its uprise, but as of late it's still on its decline. Alright, still haven't gotten our solid value. Alright, so and you can see from the previous week the market did give us a decline. Alright, so let's try to see what's kind of going on here. Let's try to put a horizontal line somewhere. Alright, so gonna put it together. Alright, so I'm seeing something right here, so let's see, or maybe here. Okay, let's put it here actually. Okay, is it fine? Yeah, can put it right here. Let me balance it there. Alright, and then let's put another one. Alright, remember the aim here is to trap it. Alright, is to trap our current movement. Alright, to trap the running price. Alright, and its movement. Alright, so meaning we need a resistance and a support to trap it. Alright, and then as you go to small time frames, it will then be like as we closing to it. Alright, getting those closer levels and all. Alright, so see, where can we put it? Can put it right there. Alright, so already by reading from the weekly time frame, alright, we can see that alright, we do have a chance of a decline. You can put another one here, because it really shows that the market might decline. Alright, we are sporting a very solid decline. Alright, the market might decline like crazy. Alright, reading the price action. Alright, and this candlesticks is really showing us that the market might decline, unless if the candlestick for this coming week, the weekly candlestick, is gonna do what? It's gonna engulf. Alright, unless if it's gonna engulf, head to the upside. Alright, but still, even if it does, the next candlestick for that other week, what might it do? It might go to the downside. Alright, so yeah, let's just let's move this. Alright, so far we already know we have a very powerful chance of a decline. Alright, so let's go to daily and see what's popping. Alright, so even from daily, by reading the price action, you can still see, without putting trend lines and all, you can see that the market really showing us that there's a high chance of going to the downside, but there's been a very high support in. Alright, every time we see like the market is failing to break to the downside, so doesn't alert to us that, oh boy, we might be valuing up. Alright, it might be that our 10 where we value up. Alright, so still on a daily, still not having something solid to tell us that the market's going to the upside, but this is something. Alright, it's something. So let's go to 4 hour and see what's popping. Alright, okay, then 4 hours is showing us something different. It's showing us that okay, the market now is going to the upside, because you can see this hammer right here. Obviously, hammer is a candlestick for an upwards movement. Alright, if you know how to read price action. Alright, so meaning this is our alert, this is our sign that boy, we go into the upside. This is our signal. Alright, so far we only have the hammer from the 4 hour time frame. Alright, meaning we headed towards this resistance up here. Alright, so let's see from the 1 hour time frame. Alright, still from the 1 hour time frame, still seeing a chance of a bullish movement. Alright, so that's that. Alright, so let's see 15 minutes what this got for us. Alright, so as you can see, 15 minutes we have this something like a double bottom structure like. Alright, so if the market continues with it, we might be getting that movement that we anticipate from the 4 hour, that gonna be heading towards that resistance up there. Alright, so small time frames are showing us that okay, we have a chance of going upwards, a very solid chance. Alright, so let's just put more levels and put trend lines and see what's popping. Let's go to 4 hour. So let's go to daily. Alright, and try to see if we have a trend. Alright, so right here, can we align something? Because remember, when trend lines are about alignment. Alright, if you find your alignment, it means there's a high chance that you are very correct. All right, because nobody's correct. All right, so we do have a bit of an alignment here, so meaning there's a high chance that the market might fail to break to the upside when it reaches this level. All right, so let's see if don't we have other activities there. Okay, we can put a rectangle right here. Yeah, let's put a rectangle. All right, yeah, we can put a rectangle right here. All right, so meaning it's another zone where we expect the market to resist. All right, so meaning this will be our first stop. All right, if we buy from here, this is our first stop. All right, gonna wait for the market to break this structure, because there's a high chance that even if we are correct that the market's gonna be going to the upside, when it reaches this level, it might decline, reach here, then do whatever, and then break later after you have blown your account. All right, so when whatever you do, just know, if you buy, this is your first stop. You stop, you close all trades. Don't leave any single trade. You close all trade. All right, and then you wait for the market to give you a direction. All right, and then you just take it. That's the basis of it. All right, so yeah, that's what we're gonna be expecting for this coming week to reach this level right here. Let's see, around 12,420. All right, that's the level that we are looking to go towards. All right, so we have our rectangle there and we have our trend. Let's see if we have our main trend. All right. Okay, it's trippy. Then can we put a trend here? Let's try something. Nah, it doesn't give us. Okay, but we have a bit of an alignment here. See, like in here. See, remember, it's all about alignment. If you find your alignment, there's a chance you might be correct. All right, so meaning this, it was a fake out, and it was really indeed a fake out, because the market didn't return inside the trend, then went to the upside. All right, so meaning it's a fake out here. All right, so we're gonna take these dudes right here because they respected the trend. All right, so you see, like, we kinda a bit in trouble, because the market is still showing, when we put these levels, still showing that the market will reach this level down here. All right, it's showing us that we will come here, test, and then break. That's what the market is showing us. All right, I hope you see what I'm seeing, man. All right, because this is what the market is showing us. So meaning for this coming week, you need to be very careful. You need to be very careful. Don't be naive. All right, don't be naive when you spot a bullish movement. Don't be naive. No matter what, the market is gonna go down before it's gonna give us that major takeoff that we're looking for. All right, like for real, man. The market is showing us signals of decline, of a decline. All right, and remember us, we're all about buying us 100. All right, a decline is not ideal. All right, if you take your decline, take it wisely. All right, also don't be foolish when you're taking a decline. All right, but yeah, we're gonna be waiting for our rally. We're gonna be waiting for it, us. All right, but from this angle here, it's showing that the market's gonna be going to the upside, but then we're gonna be taking it to the downside. All right, so if you learn anything from this video, guys, know what you have to do. Give us a thumbs up, and then if you're new to this channel, subscribe. All right, so you know what to expect, guys, and also don't forget to put your rectangles here. All right, because there's a high chance also that the market from this angle, it might just take a 10. All right, so let's put a rectangle right here. All right, yeah, you can put a rectangle right here. All right, so meaning this is your first stop. Actually, this is your first stop. All right, because what the market might be doing, it might go up from here, up, and then come down, and then break to the upside, and then after breaking to the upside, then we're gonna be going with a decline. We're gonna sell it like crazy. All right, don't be afraid to sell when it reaches that level, because you know people, when Nasdaq buys and then they keep on the moment, takes them out, and they blow their accounts, and then they be like, all right, so we're gonna be taking a sell from this angle up here. All right, if you learn anything, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.